मेरी मंजिलें मेरे सामने.
Allah Ta'ala says that whatever you own, whatever you earn, it is given to you by Allah. It has not been dropped from the sky through your efforts, but one can make his effort, but the success of effort is in the hands of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. No one can be successful. We have seen many people who have a lot of goods in their shop, no customers goes there, and they are sitting there empty-handed. So therefore, first is principle enshrined by this verse is that whatever you earn is not only through your efforts, it is in fact given to you by Allah.